Good morning, first grade. Welcome to Friday. We are at Friday calendar. Please today make sure that you have your meeting worksheet. This is the sheet that you had in your folder at the beginning of the week. Hopefully it's been in your red folder every day since, so make sure that you've grabbed it out of your red folder. Today's the last day that we'll use it for this week. And then at the end, we'll make sure that this goes in our Friday folder so that we can take a look at them. So you'll need to flip to the back side today, and you'll need to put where it says lesson, you'll put 30, okay, lesson 30 today. Let's go ahead and we're gonna get started with some days of the week things. Today though, it's gonna look a little different. I want you to think, I want you to grab out your folder, whatever you need to do to help you with this. I want you to think, what are the weekdays? What are the weekdays? Thinking? Remember, the weekdays are the days that we're normally in school, and it's the main work week for people to work. Okay, so weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Right, there are 5 weekdays. And which are the days of the weekend? What are the weekend days? The weekend days are Saturday and Sunday. Right. What is the day? If yesterday was Thursday, what will today be? If yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday. If yesterday was the 15th, today is the 16th. Okay? Now, take a look at the 16th. If today is the 16th, what was the date 1 week ago? So if I want to know what the date was 1 week ago, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the 16th, and I'm going to go up 1 week, 1 spot. If you don't believe me that's a whole week, remember a week is 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that still brings you to October 9th. What will it be 1 week from today? Well, now I have to do a little bit of counting, don't I? Here's 16. We want to know what it'll be right here. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It'll be October 23rd, 1 week from today. Great job. Take a look at our clock today. What time does my clock say? Well, remember that my blue hand, my minute hand, is pointing down at the 6. If it's pointing at the 6, that means half past. Okay, so it's half past. And where's my hour? My hour hand is between the 6 and the 7. So it's what time? 6:30. Right, because when my hour hand is in between the two numbers, remember that it goes to the smaller of the two numbers, the lesser of the time, the earlier time. So 6:30 is the same as 6:30. On your math worksheet, make sure that you get the time 6:30 written down. 6:30. Mrs. Friedrichs, I'm forgetting how to make that say 6:30. Remember that the 6 is the hour, so that goes on the left side of the colon, and 30 goes on the right side, 30, 6:30. Okay. One thing that I did forget to do is we do need to go ahead and write down our date. We said what it was today, but we didn't write it. Our month is October. And I'm sorry, I'm going to rewrite that for you. October, October. Remember, we have a capital O because it's the first letter in a month. So, October 16th, 2020. October 16th, 2020. All right, I have some coins listed up here. And what we need to do is we need to figure out how much money I have. So, if you're looking carefully, you can see that I have 1, 2, 3 dimes, and I have 2 pennies. How much is a dime worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. So each dime is going to be worth 10 cents. And how much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. So I need to count my dimes first. Why do I count the dimes first? Because it's worth more money. Here we go. 10, 20, 30. Notice I put my line through here. Remember why I put the line through? So that I remember to stop counting by tens and switch how I'm counting. So I'm at 30 and I need to keep counting by ones. 31, 32. So how much money did I have here? I had 32 cents. Up on your sheet, next to where you have the time, you see the word money. You needed to say 32 cents. 3, 2, and the cent sign. 32 cents. Oh, I'm so sorry. I had that on lesson 26. You know that was on lesson 30. 32 cents. Okay, try that. That's better. 32 cents. All right, friends, let's go ahead and take a look at our problem of the day while we're over here. Problem of the day. It says one of these is the principal's favorite color. And we have 4 choices: red, blue, yellow, and green. Red, blue, yellow, and green. Well, we have some clues to help us to find out which is the principal's favorite color. The first one says, it is not the second color listed. Red, blue, yellow, green. Remember, this is where I start when I'm talking about ordinal position. So it's not the second color listed. Red first, second, blue. Okay, can't be blue. It is not on the left. Left, right. It's not on the left. Oops, can't be red. It is not last. Last would be green. Can't be green. What is the principal's favorite color? We would say yellow is the principal's favorite color. Okay, friends, let's keep moving. We have to talk about the pattern today. Take a look at our pattern. 10, rectangle, 20, rectangle, 30, rectangle. We have a growing and repeating pattern again. Growing and repeating. How is it repeating? Well, I have a rectangle after every number. How is it growing? I'm counting by tens, and it's increasing every single time. So we need to finish this up. 10, rectangle, 20, rectangle, 30, rectangle. What comes next counting by tens? 40. And after the number, I need to put a rectangle. After 40 comes 50, rectangle, 60, rectangle. Okay, we have 2 more pieces I want to get through with you this morning. The first one is our daily count. So I'd like you to go ahead and make sure that you have the daily count. Make sure you have it as lesson 30. And our first number is going to be 107. 107. So make sure that you have 107 as the first number. All right, let's go ahead and get some work done. 107, 108, 108, 109, 110. That's 110, 110. 111, 112. Can you finish filling out this first row? Go ahead and finish filling those 4 boxes out. Okay, let's finish it. 113, 114, what's 114? 115, 116. So what was the last number that we wrote? The last number we wrote was 116. Let's keep going and do one more row here. After 116 is 117, 118, 119, 120, 120, 120, 121, 122, 123, and you finish the last 3 boxes. And let's check it. 124, 124, 1, 2, 5, 125. 1, 2, 6, 126. Okay, we are going to stop there. We're not going to do our last row. If you want to challenge yourself, a great challenge for today would be for you to finish out that last row. First grade, yesterday in math, we started talking about addition and subtraction fact families. And so today we are going to look at our addition and subtraction fact families for the first time during calendar. This is something we will do every single day. We have the numbers 1, 4, and 5, and we need to come up with the addition and subtraction fact families for 1, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember that when I'm adding, the sum has to be the biggest number. The other two numbers have to be my add-ins. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And then I have to switch the add-ins around, keeping my sum the same. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, now let's do the subtraction. Remember that for subtraction, I have to start with my largest number. And now my other two numbers, 1 and 4, are going to go here. So 5 minus 1 has to be 4. And now that I did 5 minus 1, I can't do 5 minus 1 over here. It has to be 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay? That was a lot of hard work that you did this morning. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Great job. Make sure that you're working hard every day when we're in calendar time, because it will help you to get better with your math skills. So keep working hard. Once again, please make sure that your lesson, your math meeting worksheet goes back into your Friday folder. Where is it going? Your Friday folder. Make sure it's back in your Friday folder, and we will see you back here next week for calendar.